Here's how to create public profile on Snapchat on Android. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just click on your profile icon on top left corner. From here, as you can see this option, public profile. So what you have to do, click on the setting icon on top right corner. Okay, scroll down. Under privacy control, click on contact me and here select friends and contacts. Now go back and select view my story, and here if you have this option everyone, select that, otherwise leave as it is. Now click on see me in find friends and here enable this option, show me in find friends. Okay, go back again, click on see my location and here disable this mode, ghost mode. Okay, now go back and click on public profile, add your profile picture, bio, and okay, just click on this edit option, add profile picture, bio, location, and add some snaps. And after that, you will be good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.